Hello traders, welcome to the Tech channel. Today I have a very good strategy which I need to share here. This strategy is a new strategy, but it have a very good winning ratio. All you need to do is to follow the rules which I'm going to show you here today. And remember, this strategy is a rise and fall strategy and it's a manual strategy. So we are going to use binary tools, and we are going to use also a manual bot to trade here. We are going to trade manually using the bot. Okay, yeah, that's the benefit of using binarytools.io. So first thing what you need to do is very simple. You just need to upload the bot here. So I will upload my bot, rise and fall manual. After upload it, then you will need to come to operation. In operation, you need to upload the preset, and to upload the preset, very simple. You can just come here and then click upload. You find the preset where you have saved it. For me, I have saved it here. This is the HR preset, higher low preset. So I will load it and then click continue. For you, you can just download it in the description. Okay. Yeah. So after having this preset, you can see we have here a candlesticks. Okay. Yeah. So now what you need to do is click here to maximize the candlesticks, and we can check the market, how it's behaving, and we can choose the volatility to trade for today. Yeah. For now, I'm in volatility 25. Oh, I need to change it to 1 minute. That's really important. After changing to 1 minute, another thing which you need to do is you need to add these indicators. You need to come here on the indicator and then add with indicator. First of all, add factor. Okay. I mean, fractal. Okay. Add this fractal, William fractal. When you click it, you will see it here already been added. This is really important, and you need to leave it as a default setting. Then after that, again, come to indicator, and you need to add EMA. EMA, this moving average exponential. You click it 2 times. So you need to add on the chart 2 times, just like I have do here. You just click it 2 times and it will be added directly here. The next thing here, you just need to change the setting of this moving average. So let's go to the first one. The first one, put 14. Put here 14, then go to style. You can change the color you want here. For me, I will choose that one, and then I will increase a little bit here the line so that I can be able to see it. After that, I will click OK. As you can see, this is our line for 14 moving average. So now let's go to another moving average, and then we can click on a setting. The color, you can change it to a black or any color you like. Okay, then increase the style here, come to input, and then put moving average 200. Okay, 200, then click OK. You will see we have something like this in the chart, and in order to use this in the future, so that you should not every time come here and try to add this indicator, you can just save this chart so that you can use later. So what you need to do, you just come here, you can save this layout. Okay, then put the name here. I can say HREMA. Okay, yeah, that for me is okay. So I have saved it. So next time when I come, I will just click here and come to here, load a layout, and then I will find my my design, and then I will click this one, and all the setting will be added here automatically. Yeah. So now let me show you how the strategy works, because everything is already done here. Let's go back a little bit so that I can explain to you. Yeah, as you can see here, we have a moving average 200, which is a black color, now is above and the candle are below. This means for this moving average 20, this we are going to use it as a trend direction signal. So this 200 moving average, we are going to use it as a trend direction signal. So when we see moving average is above and the candle are below, that means the trend is in downtrend. So whatever you see, these candles are down the moving average, are below moving average 200, that means is a downtrend. Okay, Yeah, and when you see like here, when you see the candle are above the 200 moving average, that means the market at that time is generally in uptrend. So I just need you to focus on that. Don't put a lot of things in your head. Just focus and do just like I'm telling you. Okay? Yeah. So the next thing you will see, we have also a moving average 14. So here is where the magic comes with this factor. Okay, factor here, factoring indicator. So what are we going to do is very, very simple. For example here, my friend, for example here, when the market move up like this and the candle are above EMA 14, you can see like this. All you need to do is to see the candle cross the moving average 14 and cross below. Make sure it cross below moving average 14. Then all need to do, let me zoom it so that you can see it clearly, because it's really, really important. You need to pay attention in this section. Okay, so when you see the candle is black, the moving average 14, all you need to do is you just need to check a previous factor here. For example, now is this one. So what you need to do, draw the line on that factor. Okay, and you will be waiting for this factor to be black out. Make sure you draw even the wick. Okay, so the last one was this one. So what you need to do, you need to see until you see the candle come again to this line of factor here, which we have drawn, to be close below. Make sure it close below. We should not, if you see the wick here and the body close above the line of the factor, then that is a fake signal. That's the fake breakout, because this, we're going to take breakout of this factor. Okay, so for this signal, you need to see the candle close completely below the factor. Okay, so and you can see this candle close below, as you can see. So that is the breakout, and immediately after seeing that, you will open the entry for 5 minutes expiry. So here you will open the entry. Let me show here something like this. Let me show you something here. Okay, so if you open the entry, this candle will be the first one, second one, third, fourth, and the fifth will be here. So you will be having a good win here, and this will be a win trade. So I hope you understand me. Another thing to make sure here before pressing the entry, as I have tell you that the 200 moving average is like a trend filter for us. We are looking for it in order to understand the trend direction. So when you see this 200 is above and the candle are below, only you need to trade put option. So you will trade put option only when you see this 200 moving average is above and the candle are below, and you will take your entry when you see the candles already cross this moving average 14. But most importantly is when the candle already cross and black, completely the body black like this. You can see not the wick, the body must cross below the line of the factor, so it must black the area of the factor, like you can see here. I can say fractal. Okay, yeah, I think I'm pronouncing it light, but the only thing here, I just need for you to understand me what I'm saying. Okay, yeah, so here is profit. Let's go to another one. For example, here the market again move down like this, again move up. Again here you can see we have another signal. You can just take it on. So we have a factor here, the market move up and create another fractal here. Then the candle come and break completely. You can see here this candle come and break completely this level of fractal. Okay, this one. So what you need to do the same. You check the market now, the downtrend, and also this is a signal for put option. So what you need to do, you can open the entry here, and this will be your first candle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you will be in profit. Easy, just like that. This will be your second profit. Okay, yeah. Again, you can see the market move up. Let's just delete this so that it can never confusing you. Okay, the market again goes up all the way here, and now what you need to do is we will wait until the market again come to moving average 14 to cross it. And you can see here it crossed below the moving average 14 and the 200 is still above. So we're still looking for a put option. And then after this crossing here, we need to find the factor here, the previous factor. And you can see this was the previous factor. Yeah, this was the previous factor. But after going a little bit down, now we have a new factor here, this one. So you need to draw that one, okay? You need to put it from this one. And then what you need to do, you need to wait because already these candles are below 14 moving average. So what you need to do is you just need to wait for this candle, for any candle to break the moving, this factor, and then you'll be able to open the entry. Now you can see here, there is something very, very important you need to see here. Please pay attention. As you can see here, this candle was like this. This one was the first one which we draw on the factor, and we were waiting for any candle to break this zone. And you can see there is a lot of factor happen, but in the same area because it was behaving like a strong support. Okay, but you need to pay attention to this one. You can see there is another candle here. Let me zoom it here a little bit. After drawing this one, there is another candle which increase the wick. My friend, this is a secret, another secret for understanding support and resistance so that you can have a best end point if you want to trade breakout. This is really important. You need to listen. Okay? Yeah, you can see this candle come down and create another wick down here. I hope you can see it here. There is a wick or continue down here. So what you need to do, you need to move also this line and put it to the wick here. So even if there's another candle, come down all the way here and then move back and the body close above the line, it means that it's a fake breakout. And the line, we need to move it down to that wick. I hope you understand me. Maybe I can show you more example here. This is really important. And you can see after moving to this line, you can see the candle still not close. And we have found another thing here. This candle was looking like it closed. So if you leave it here, okay, if you leave it here, you will see this candle already closed below, and you will think that this is a breakout. And you open the entry. What's happening? The market goes up a little bit and then it goes down. Even if you will win, but let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You will win, but this is not what I'm talking about. So you need to have to follow the rules which I'm telling you to avoid these unnecessary losses. Okay. So, but when you put it like this, you will see this candle was closed above, and that was not a breakout. And now you can see the market move up until we have this candle break here. So you open the entry for your option. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it was a win. You will win again here. Okay. Yeah, that's it, my friend. You can continue and finding more signal. For example, here we have a wick and also we have this. You can draw it here. You can see the market continue going up. That means the signal was not working for us. Again, it come almost touching it touched the line of 200. Again, it moved down. Now our previous fractal is this one. So the market goes down and again come and touch this one, and it goes up, and this one again create a wick. Please remember this, it creates a wick. So this will move to this one. I hope you understand me, my friend. It will move to this one because of this wick. Okay. Yeah, and then this candle come all the way down here and close below here. So here you open the entry for a put option, but bad thing, this will be a loss. Remember, there is no 100% strategy. Okay, you will have a loss, but you will be able to recover it because this strategy have high winning ratio. And you can see again the market goes up, looking like it's breaking the 200 moving average, but again it goes down and cross here. But and we can see, yeah, this was for me, I would not take it because the factor line will be here almost on the line of 200. So it was a risky one to trade here. For me, I will not take it because I don't know the trend where it's going. It's look like ranging market here for now for me to press if I was in a current position here. So I will draw like this, and you can see this one black. If you open the entry here, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This may be a win or a loss, because if you delay pressing the entry here, yeah, this will be a loss. Okay, yeah, for me, I will not take this trade because you can see it's on the lines. 200 was in the middle of the candle, which is not good. It indicate that the market is not good. Okay, yeah, yeah, I can see the video is taking a lot of time. So let's go to a uptrend so that I can show you on uptrend how are you going to do that. For example, um, you can see now the candle are above moving average 200. Again, it's on the area of 200 EMA. So we need to ignore it. Let's go a little further. Yeah. For example, here, the market was moving above the moving average 14. And again, it goes down just like that. And the market move up like this. So what you need to do in order for you to press a higher option, you need to find the upper, not the lower now, because we need to trade for a call option, and the market is uptrend. 200 moving average candles are above 200 moving average, and also the red cross here, the moving average 14. So what you need to do, we need to check this above fractal indicator. So we need to check this one. The market move up, we need to see it break this one, but instead of breaking, it start creating something like this. So it creating a resistance here. You can see there is a resistance. The market, the candle tried to move up and then go down, move up, go down. It was at a resistance area. So what you need to do, you can see there is another factor here appear in the same line. So you can just put it just like that. Our goal is to see that this has been breakout and the candle closed completely above the factor. Okay, and you can see we have a special candle here. This one close above, the body close above. So here it was, here it will be your entry point because all the rules already there. So it will be safe for you to trade on this candle. So let me show you. So your entry will be here for 5 minutes, and it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, sorry. 4, 5, and you'll be in profit, and you'll be able to recover the previous loss if you have get it. Okay, yeah. So this is it. This is how easy you can trade. You can see we have another signal here. This one. I hope you can understand, my friend. This one is another signal. The factor is this one. You draw it here. Okay, here, and then we are waiting. This was the previous factor for signal of higher, and you can see this candle break completely, this one. And then what you need to do is you open here entry for a call option for 5 minutes candle. Okay, 5 minutes time frame expiry. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you'll be in profit. Very easy, my friend. I'm giving you this for free. You need to subscribe to the channel, my friend, and also like. Make sure you do that if you appreciate what I'm saying. I'm spending day and night trying to create this strategy, try to find the material online so that I can bring something new to you which can help you make money. So I appreciate by just subscribing and like my channel. Okay? Yeah. So that's it. You can see again. Okay, let me do like this. Sorry for that. This is the last example. You can see again the market from here goes down and creates the lower fractal here, and then again the candle goes back to a moving average 14. All we are looking here is above fractal, okay, fractal here, which is this one. So we are waiting for this one to be breakout, and then we'll be able to open the entry for 5 minutes, and we can see the market goes down again, and this candle closed above. So here, if you open the entry for 5 minutes, it will be 1, 2, 3, for 5. So this will be a loss, and you need to accept it because you will face also some losses, but there are be few losses than wins. So you have more wins than losses. Okay. Yeah, I hope you understand, my friend. So I will show you just one trade, and then we are going to finish this session because the video is taking a lot of time. Okay, I just changed the volatility here to 10, and I have seen this something like is going to happen here for a lower option. Something's just going to happen. You can see this candle trying to break and continue going down, and this is not a good indication. Remember, I tell you, if you see these wicks, you need to increase your line to that wick. Then this will make ignore the fractal. Remember, I have explained to you that. So now we will trade only if this candle break full of this previous candle, even in the week. If it break, then we'll be able to trade. So before doing that, remember we are on volatility, volatility 25, and here we analyze volatility 10. So we need to go and change immediately here. We need to change to a volatility 10. Yeah, for another 4, if you change like that, everything will be changed automatically. All you need to do is to change here on the ticks and then put 5 minutes. It's really important, my friend, okay? Because we are trading for 5 minutes. Then go back here and let's see if we can have a signal, land the board, and we are waiting. Yeah, it already closed. So we are going to have a put option direct here. As you can see, this candle closed below the line, you can see, and they're really, really good. My friend, remember, as I tell you, first of all, we see it here. This is a fractal. This was a our signal, and we are waiting for breakout, but you can see, let me zoom it. You can see it here. This candle tried to break it and goes down all the way here, but failed to break, and again it goes up and it closes inside the line of fractal here. Okay, so that it is a fake breakout. Do not think that this like the week maybe is a breakout. No. So what you need to do, you need to go back and increase the zone here of a support. Okay, so I increase it, and I was looking for this week. So now after this candle close complete this area, then I opened my entry here for a 5 minutes expiry for a lower option. So let's see. I will wait for a result here so that we can see if we win or we lose. Then we are going to continue. Okay, as you can see, our first trade was not going so well. We have a loss in our first trade, so you should not panic. All you need to do is looking another signal. As you can see, we have the first loss here, no problem. The bot we do automatically here, changing the stake because I didn't turn it on. That's why you can see here it doesn't show us this stake here. Okay, that's why, because I was turning it off, I was changing stake directly from here. Okay, as you can see now, we are having here a candle breakout, and remember you can just click here on this line here. Okay, click it here if you want to add this second so that you can know when the candle is going to close. As you can see now, we are on 30 seconds in order for this candle to close. So how to add it, just right click on that line, and then you will see it here. It's a count bar. Okay, countdown to bar close is this one. Okay, yeah, and I think you're going to have a signal because you can see this is very, very big candle. This might be a signal, and the time remain here is 6 seconds. Okay, 2, 1. Okay, really, let me put like this. Apply call option. Okay, we have opened an entry for call option again, this one, in order to recover the previous loss. So let's see what is going to happen. And the entry is already there here. We have opened an entry for a call option. So let's see the result. Okay, as you can see, this would be a profit trade, and we'll be able to recover here our losses. As you can see, we have recovered, and here is a win. Okay, just like I've told you. So we have a loss, and we've been able to recover. You can just risk only $5 only $5 per day, and you can make your profit here every session, maybe $2 or $1 depending on your balance. And just 15% in your account is enough for you to make per day.